I won with the Guadalupe.
Coming to you, Papa. Sorry.
Well, hello. We're on a Curtis adventure.
Hello.
There's Charlie. There's Grayson.
Hello.
Grayson, did you put sunscreen on your face yet?
No.
You need to before you go. And we'll walk out there and see what it's like. But we're at Guadalupe State Park. And there's a lot of people here cooling off today. It's supposed to be 101 today. So we're going to play in the water here. It looks like it gets nice and deep right in front of us, but we're by this bluff. And then on the other side of me is all these people. Nana's spraying everybody. Grayson's getting ready to do underwater diving. Oh, it's just a small step.
It's literally like a step.
It's a real step.
Like a step. Okay, we were a little ledge. I'm swimming away. I'm going towards you, Papa. I'm swimming.
Go around me. You guys go all the way down to those rocks and then you can come back up here. It's like the lazy river.
I just have to get in my float. Now. This is not supposed to be what these floaties are for.
I just had a minnow nibbling on my finger.
You did?
Yeah. Grayson Truitt Curtis, who was born and raised in Texas. Mr. Texan, what do you think of Guadalupe State Park?
It's good, but the water
You guys want this?
is not deep enough.
The water is a little laxing in depth, yes. But on a hot day, do you not enjoy it?
It is nice, but you have to have something to be able to go under, or else your head's just gonna be sunburned.
And in about an hour, the sun's getting closer and closer to us. In about an hour, this is going to be sun-baked too. So, Charlie,
Yeah?
where are you going?
I'm going to wash my floaty and then lay on it.
Okay, have fun out there.
Thanks.
You're pulling kind of hard on it.
Did I win?
Grayson won.
I was second though.
Who's third?
Nana.
Cooling off in the hot Texas sun.
Rawr. Love, 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 love.